quiet country road with the wind in your hair, the sun overhead, and your entire home riding behind you, not in a giant RV or bulky trailer, but built into a compact, efficient, and futuristic three-wheeled machine. That's the magic of the 2025 Tricycle RV Camper. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle revolution on three wheels. As cities grow more crowded and people seek minimalist, eco-conscious ways to travel and live, this micro RV on a tricycle chassis represents one of the most exciting evolutions in personal mobility. At first glance, the 2025 Tricycle RV Camper looks like a sci-fi pod on wheels. Sleek, compact, and aerodynamic, it blends bicycle simplicity with modern camping functionality. The front end is dominated by a wide, reinforced windshield for clear visibility, and beneath that is a smooth, curved body that looks more like a spaceship than a camper. Its all-electric powertrain is completely silent, offering a smooth ride with zero emissions. This is freedom without the carbon footprint. The trike is powered by a high-efficiency battery pack, capable of delivering up to 100 miles of range on a single charge. Perfect for city exploration or weekend getaways, the battery is also solar-assisted. On top of the camper shell are lightweight, flexible solar panels that recharge the battery during daylight hours. Whether you're boondocking in the desert or cruising through green forests, you're never really stranded so long as the sun is shining. And with the regenerative braking system, even slowing down helps recharge the system, making every mile count. But the real magic happens when you stop. Park it anywhere, and within minutes, the Tricycle RV Camper transforms into your personal mobile home. The rear shell opens to reveal a cozy, functional interior, designed for solo travelers or adventurous couples. Inside, you'll find a convertible bed that folds out into a surprisingly spacious sleeping area, complete with memory foam cushioning for ultimate comfort. There's storage under the bed, sleek cabinetry on the walls, and a fold-out table for eating, working, or planning your next route. The kitchenette is minimal but cleverly designed. A small induction cooktop, a 12-volt fridge, and a foldable sink with a water tank system make it possible to cook meals wherever you are. You don't need a campground hookup to make it work, just charge up and roll out. And for those who love to stay connected, the 2025 model includes a built-in 5G antenna with Wi-Fi hotspot capabilities, meaning you can stream, post, or Zoom call from virtually anywhere.